What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you guys how you can equip flares in Pokemon TCG Pocket. Also, before we get started, if you find this video helpful, all I ask of you in return is just to subscribe. It's completely free, but it really helps out the channel. So let's get started. So when I first crafted a flare, it took me about 15 minutes to figure out how to actually equip that flare. And today I will share that with you guys. So go over to your Pokemon tab or your collection tab right here. And if I just scroll down to the Pokemon that we crafted a flare for in the last video, Slowbro, you can see in the upper left corner that we have a flare for him. So if I click it and I click on this flare, it will just show how the flare looks, but it will not actually equip it, as you can see. So to equip it, we'll just go back a bit and scroll back to the top. So here are the two options that you have to equip a flare onto your Pokemon card. So you can either equip it through binders right here, which is locked for me, or through decks, which are unlocked. So I've made this second deck right here just for this video, so let's go ahead and equip that flare. So just open up your deck or create a new deck. And you need to be sure that that deck has your Pokemon inside of them, aka a Pokemon that you crafted a flare for. So as you can see, this deck has Slowbro in it. From here, once you open up your deck or create a new one, you need to go to Edit Deck tab right here. And here you can see all the cards that are in your deck currently. And if you go back to your card, this one right here, you can see a little icon next to it. So just go ahead and tap on your card. And here you can see the flare that is currently equipped. So for me, I don't have a flare equipped, but if we click on the flare, you can see that this is a cosmetic flare. You have two different types of flares, cosmetic and battle flares. Battle flares will be shown in battle once you draw a card from your deck. And cosmetic flares you can show off in your deck or onto your binders. So just select your flare and click use right here. And right away the flare has been equipped, as you can see right here. So just go ahead and save this, so just click OK and click save right here. Now if I open that deck again, you can see that Slowbro has a flare equipped now. So that's how you can equip flares in Pokemon TCG Pocket. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Also, if you want to support the channel further, you can check out my Buy Me a Coffee link in the description below. Thank you for watching.